Hey, what's up, everybody? It is storming like crazy. Our street is flooded again. Yep, it is almost on the top of the driveway. It's crazy. I don't know how far it's gonna go. If anybody has a boat they could let us borrow, please come to our house. I had to run outside and get the garbage and pull up the car and move the chairs. So if I get sick, I know why. Hopefully it keeps on storming until Sunday morning. So I don't have to go to work. Yeah, hope everybody stays safe out there. Yeah, don't go outside if you don't have to, because it is just crazy out there. Just imagine all those crazy drivers. You know, people that can't drive in the rain. You know, Norfolk hardly gets any rain, but when it does rain, it rains hard. Alright, y'all. Stay safe. Peace out.